Okay, for those that are not familiar with me again, this is Roots with Roots Deep Oracle and Scorpio. This is a bonus for you. Um, yeah, I've been dealing with, my mother's uh, almost 84 years or 84 trips around the sun. Um, so we'll be honoring her body here and tomorrow, and I'm trying to get you guys taken care of as well too. But she's still alive. It's the body we'll be burying. I know that. Um, Excuse me for the noise. I really need my door open, and it's a nicer day today than it's been. It's not real warm, but it's a nice day. Scorpio. Upon completion of meditating upon your energies, feeling your energies, it was 7:15, which equals 22, reduces to 4. Um, Basically, what I was feeling though was before I got the time, I go into your energies. I was picking up on a collective energy score, feeling like you're coming out of a period of introspection, more like an intimacy of self, a bit of an isolated period. You've been a little bit isolated. I feel that you're definitely, you've got a lot of forward movement. Something that you're nurturing and protecting, someone or something, and I feel it's going to be a someone. You know that, right? Um, you feel, you just feel like this has potential for growth. The energy felt like it possibly may be a yin or yang connection, most definitely. Whether it's your yin, whether it's your yang. Um, but I definitely, you feel stable and secure with whatever it is. And I still believe it's the yin to your yang. So I'm going to say person. You feel stable and secure with this person. But you felt like you had to forgive yourself for changing directions on something, and it was maybe your word. Maybe you went back on your word, because Scorpio doesn't do that. That affects with us. You know that, Scorpio. We're very loyal. Whatever it was, though, this caused you to set up healthy boundaries around you, because you do understand that this is the key to healthy growth in all areas of your life. You're being told to use your wisdom. An epiphany, like a eureka moment. When you get that moment, that is spirit. That is your wisdom, you know? And you know that this is how that you build everything that you want. Because you have to stand in your confidence. You have to stand in your determination to attract what was meant for you. You line up with that stuff. And it's meant for you. I feel like that actually you're building toward everything that you've ever wanted or perceived that you want again. This is something that you, yeah, you definitely know how to be equal within yourself. You understand your masculine and feminine quite well. I think you keep that balanced out quite well. But I feel like that you're setting some intentions, because you are in separation from someone that you love, someone that you would like to engage with. That means talk to, speak to. You're in separation. You'd like to take some time away and be with them. You've been loving yourself first, and yeah, you're ready to go. You're ready to go. And I felt like Spirit just was saying, please don't lose hope. Because you're having a time right now with Spirit. So listen, because it's within you. I heard escape. I feel like you escaped from a soul cage, but you had to put yourself there or let someone put you there because you heard a summoning voice and it was calling you to acknowledge it. And this is what began to put you within your isolative state where you began to think things through as well. But you have had a lot of growth through this summer. And I see you're definitely, you've been inspired. You've been inspired by the passion within you, the drive within you. It might even be a little bit of a sexual drive. But you know, this is the yin to your yang. This had very much Emperor, Empress feel to it. You may be resting right now at this moment. Because I feel like that the action you want to take, you know that you have to use diplomacy. I also heard sticky situation. So I don't know. We're going to see. This is interesting. That's, you know, just some of the energies I picked up on during meditation. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. And I think I'm definitely getting, yeah, let's do it this way. Surface energies first. This is, you know, how people feel and see you, that's around you, your friends, your family, people you even share energies with, you know, whether you see them on a daily basis or not. Let me see for Scorpio, please. Show me for Scorpio. Yeah, we had a flip over. Two of them. Look up, cloud meditation. Spirit's telling you to look up for clarity. Look up. Maybe look up to the heavens. Maybe you need to say a little prayer. Maybe you need to feel the atmosphere around you. See the changes around you to get clarity. I feel like that's what you've done. We don't look up when it's raining and keep looking up, though. That's kind of like, that's what turkeys do when they kind of drown in the rain. Nice to look up for a few minutes, but yeah, turkeys do it out of fear. Clarity. I don't know why I said that, so listen up to that. There might be somebody dealing with some fear factors because I said I felt like it was a sticky situation, okay? I said that come out of my mouth, but listen to what's being said. Clarity again. I feel like that your heart has clarity. The core of your soul has clarity. You have looked up, prayed up, whatever you have to do to get clarity. Because you do want alignment. Magic. We have Sabata and the cloud meditation and magic. Okay. These don't have to flip, by the way. These are oracles. They're not my tarot. Yeah, overall. What did I say? Your wisdom, your knowledge, introspection. Your yin to your yang to your yin. You had a vision. You're following this vision. I want to see the energies of your person. Ooh, your person may very well be transforming it right now. At this point in time, they're telling you to trust them. Your person is saying, this is bliss. I'm transforming. Trust me. Trust me. Okay. Solitude. You came out of solitude. Your person very well may be in solitude. Your yin to your yang to your yin. Excuse me. It is. A lot of readers are having problems with it. It depends on your location, where you're at. I get symptoms every time the weather changes. But I don't have bad allergies. It's just like within my voice. Yeah. Look up. Cloud meditation. Listen and learn. Look up and listen and learn. I'm not able to show that. I don't know. I don't mark mine for children. I figure, if I'm going to do children read. Let me see the clarity. This is the underlying energy. Underlying energy is you're listening and learning. On the surface, people see you. They might see you as being praying, maybe even a bit guarded, a bit, a bit guarded right now. Like you are kind of dodging the raindrops instead of, looking up and realizing that it's even raining at this point in time, but you're a bit guarded. People don't want to approach you. Is what it is that you are definitely listening and learning within. Again, we had isolation. I very much feel like that you have been in isolation, Scorpio, for a minute. Okay, here's the witch's hat on the clarity. And that's funny because the hat's on the head and you're getting clarity. You need to express yourself. You need to share your gifts with the world. And this is what's in your heart. Isis is out here, Scorpio, which is, your sign, your symbol right here, Isis. This is your magic. This is alignment. This is alignment. Because you do work magic. People, call it magic, but you know how to speak and set the right intentions to protect and heal others. You're a healer, and we know that. Most Scorpios are healers. That's why we carry a lot of pain sometimes. Freya, you are worthy. You are loved. Love each other. You find each other worthy. This yin to your yang, yang to your yin. That's what you're saying to me, Scorpio. Okay, let me see your person. Underlying what's pushing these to the surface. Person wants to be heard. All right, there we got the butterfly. They are going through a transformation. Here's your sign. No. Basically, yeah, it says if you are looking for a sign, here it is. I've been seeing these too, and I do see butterflies a lot. I see a lot of nature, period. But a specific black and blue one. It approached me before she, before she decided it was time to go. Seen a lot of things. A lot of things happen. So that is definitely, we know the butterfly is definitely the symbol for transformation. Yes, your person is saying yes, Scorpio. This is truth. They're having growth. They're rebirthing themselves, look. And yes, there's a promise that was made to you. Okay, segment. You may have some Leo in your chart as well too. This is definitely, again, this is an overcomer. This is somebody that knows how to stand within the truth of who they are. Somebody that definitely, I mean, this is also reminds me of Scorpio, because Scorpios do work, do good shadow work. We work in the shadows. That's where we work, in between the dark and the light. Not good and evil, dark and light. I guess you can call it. It's however you call it. I try to speak of things that are kind and lovely and beautiful. I don't try to put demons and devils in my world. But I feel like that, I don't feel like this card goes, and I'm not taking it because I heard no. That it just doesn't even fit with that. I'm going to leave it down here in case I see anything else. Okay, full moon. Basically, harvest the truths of your hard work, and reaping. Yeah, because you've just been in. You've worked hard on yourself. You need to acknowledge the fact that you have. And this is where your fire comes in, because I really don't know a Scorpio that don't have fire in their chart. We're the phoenix. You have to have fire to rise from the ashes. We have no ashes without the fire, right? I'm just saying. Okay, let's go ahead and yeah, let's get some. I want to get the Illuminati out here. Yeah, this way. Okay, that's what you said. I had them out for a while, and they just weren't feeling weren't feeling good, and I had to cleanse them and put them away and redo it again. You have a lot of unconditional love for this person. You don't want to chain your person up, Scorpio, because you do seek your wisdom. But you do keep a watch on their energies because you love them. You have unconditional love for them. Ooh. Yeah. You feel like they're getting ready to come out of a transformative state. You feel like they're getting ready to come out of that cocoon. They've been in there long enough, figuring out what was illusions, what was dreams, what they could build on, what they couldn't. Shifting their perspective to prepare to get ready to receive your love, because I'm telling you, I had the Empress feel, Scorp. Okay. And what did I say? You needed water or fire with your water in order to be a phoenix as a Scorpio. Right there's your fire. You may have Sag in your chart. I do. I want to see why this Queen of Wands is here. Somebody is definitely I don't like that there. We're going to get back to this. I want to see the heart, because there's clarity here. Again, you need to express yourself. You need to share your gifts as well with the world. You're a healer. But your heart definitely knows what makes it happy. You may need to heal your happy bill. I'm taking it upside down. I don't generally take them upside down, but I heard take it upside down, and I am. What I'm seeing basically is you're good. You got out of your head. If you were in your head whatsoever, you do see clearly. You took the blinders off to really look at things hard. As I said, you went introspecting. You went into yourself very deeply. Into the core of yourself, it feels like. And seeing past the obstacles, the illusions. Because right there, upside down, but that right there is nothing more than obstacles and illusions. It's not options to me. Not in this. Okay. Let me see Isis casting spells of protection and healing. To me, setting intentions for protection and healing. Knowing how to work this way and that way. Absolutely. And I said, you wanted everything. You're getting in alignment. That's what I said. Because you want it to be able to attract. You know, the law of attraction. Get in alignment with it. You bring it to you by acting as if you already have it and being grateful for it and what you do have. Being grateful before it even comes to you. Yeah. Got that deck held wrong, don't I? Yep. As I said, the Emperor's out here. Because you want stability and you want security. You want to know that you're safe and stable. Because you feel like, you know, of course it's your destiny. I guess everybody's not safe and stable, but you feel like this is your destiny. You are destined to definitely, you know, be stable and secure. You are definitely destined to build empires. There's definitely, you feel a strong destiny to build, to create that creator source essence within you, Scorpio. Yeah, and here you are. Absolutely. You love your person absolutely unconditional. You're not stepping toward this person. I said you're in separation. But you're in separation. You're strongly bonded. You're having telepathic communication. You're communicating with one another. Spiritually. And there's a spiritual communication there. You're wanting to go towards your person. Because you want balance with them. And a new beginning. With peaceful, abundant love. Scorpio all over that card in the Lotus. We know that's Scorpio card. You got fire, water, earth, air. Yeah. This person definitely remembers you from past lives, possibly. Or just the past. This person does want to heal this. This energy wants to heal with you. I never heard switch decks yet, folks, so we will in a minute. This is someone that's overcoming and is an overcomer that has had to endure a lot and overcome a lot of obstacles within their life. This is somebody that works from the center of their heart and they're very courageous. Possibly a Leo again. We've got a lot of, definitely a lot of Leo out here. And Scorpio. Okay. One more. Let me see strength. Let me see strength. Yep. You may be dealing with an earth sign. We do have the King of Pentacles out here. But it doesn't have to be. Again, it's all energies, folks. This is telling me this is somebody that does know how to build. This is somebody that's very fluent in that. They're very stable. It's exactly what you said. You feel stable with this person. You feel safe and secure with this person. You feel like you're structured with this person. And maybe you've been lacking structure for a while, Scorpio. Okay, and then on the bottom of the deck, this is somebody that definitely has a lot of passion and drive and desire for you. Somebody that's actually been watching you. That's what I heard. This is somebody that's been watching you. Okay, let's go ahead. This little deck, it ain't no little deck, but I don't have a true name on it. It come with, like, you know, tarot supplies, and I like it. I like the energies in it. I like the slickness of it, the quickness of it. Okay. I'm sorry, Scorpio. I need to close that door. It just feels so good. Somebody's trying to sabotage. Ooh. Yeah. We've got somebody trying to sabotage. They're literally trying to fight, stirring up a conflict over somebody coming towards you with a lot of passion. Somebody that has a lot of passionate growth for you. Very passionate growth for you. That wants to, yeah. This looks like it has a root on it, in fact, even. They're wanting to plant some. Well, we know what they're wanting to plant, but this feels like a Knight of Wands that actually is wanting to grow something with you, but something's trying to block them from getting towards you. There's a block. There's a block between you both. There's conflict over this block. You can see that clearly right there. Let me see what's going on. Ooh, because, yeah. There's a spiritual connection between you and this person. And that's what somebody doesn't want to happen. They don't want it to be resurrected back again. They don't want that resurrected again. Let me see the clarity. You have total clarity what's going on. I love it, Scorpio. It's like, oh, yeah, I know what's up. Yeah, I didn't hang on to any illusions. I'm only hanging on to solid foundational dreams that I can build upon. You can build upon dreams. You can't build upon illusions. Poof, and they're gone, you know? Your person would like to apologize to you. Because they've been communicating with spirit. Getting messages from their spirit. Their higher self. Okay? Yeah. You feel like this person most definitely is your destiny. You're wanting to go toward them with a lot of deep emotional love. But you're pulling back. You're pulling the reins back on that horse. The horse is going too fast, is what I'm hearing. Slow down. Slow down. You're trying to slow the horse down. It's like the horse just wants to get it there. Maybe the horse has a little horsey girlfriend. I don't know. I like that depiction. It's simple, but it's the movement within the art. Okay. And this is somebody you definitely, you have an abundant love for. You have a determination. You're good with your soul. You're good with this. You're good with this, Scorpio. Oh, yeah. You're good with this. Yeah. There's going to be an offer made. A communication of sorts. For definitely. Because I feel like, again, there has been a transformation. There has been some freedom. Somebody definitely escaped from a soul cage. They had to let their self be placed in, yes. Oh, yeah, somebody wants to offer you a little bit of passion there. I hear before the leaves fall off the bloom. Okay, so I don't know who that's for. Yes, absolutely. We have temperance out here again. This is telling me that you want to reconcile with this person. Yeah, you know that this is the yin to your yang, you know this is a spiritual connection. We have the, the Hierophant out here telling me this as well. I do actually feel like that there is somebody that, and this, again, I'm reading you, and this is like your overall, and I feel like you're a bit guarded, Scorpio. Though you want this person, you're like saying, come on, I do want to talk. This is a communication card as well. You want to communicate with this person. You do want to speak with this person, but you're not falling for any bullshit nonsense. It's that simple. You're just not falling for it, okay? The Queen of Swords uses her wisdom and her intellect as well, too. goes my belly. I'm sorry. I forget to eat sometimes, and I think that is a Scorpio thing. We get busy, whatever we're doing. I like to finish what I'm doing. I don't like to, let it linger. It's called get it done. And you kind of get into what you're doing, and you forget to eat. Okay, I'm hearing basically that, no. I hear it's,